Friends, today I'm going to speak on the topic India and its neighbors. India is a vast country and it is the seventh largest country in the world. And India, along with its neighbors, forms the Indian subcontinent. To see India, India's neighbors are Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh, and the two countries which share the water borders with India are Sri Lanka and Maldives. So these are the neighbors of India. And to and if we see that what is the relation of all these neighbors of India, then, after the independence of India in 1947, India has shared a good relation with most of its neighboring countries, except that of Pakistan and China. The relation with Pakistan is most of the time it was not good, and if we see the relation of India and China, then we have seen there is ups and downs in the relation. Firstly, let's start with the relation of India and Pakistan. India and Pakistan shares a diplomatic relation, and after the partition of India into two parts, that is India and Pakistan, we have seen four major wars between these two countries. Now, as a result of the partition and as a result of these four wars, what happened? The relation of both the countries deteriorated, and sometimes it went really very low when both the countries have had frozen their contacts. Now several there have been several times when both work to improve relation, but again some tragic incidents happen and the relation degrades. Now coming towards China, India and China first in the starting years after the independence shared a very good relation, but after China's claims of Indian territory, the relation between the two countries worsened, and after the war of 1962, the relation between both the countries was really very low. But again, the some efforts were made after the 1990s, and there was a high time in the relation. But the recent activities of China in the Indian Ocean and in the border area of India have shown the seeds of hatredness between these two countries. So again, India and China are not sharing a very good relation, but at diplomatic level talks are going on, and we hope that they will start sharing a very good relation soon. Now, when it comes to smaller countries like that of Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Maldives, and Sri Lanka, almost all the time they have shared a very good relation with India, and even India has helped Bangladesh in its liberation from Pakistan and its formation. India helped the Mukti Bahini force for the independence of Bangladesh from Pakistan, and some and India has also helped the Maldives by its Operation Cactus, to which was which was organized by India to remove the eight elements from which has captured the Maldives from Maldives. So India has helped in maintaining security of Maldives, and even India has helped Sri Lanka in maintaining its security and peace. And India shares a very good relation with Nepal and Bangladesh and Bhutan also. India shares military ties, cultural tie with both the countries, and it helps both the countries in protecting their borders against China's aggression. And India have most of the time shared a very good relation with Myanmar, and sometimes when there are the military governments ruling in Myanmar, the situation worsen because India always wants the democratically elected government, and when military government overtake the democratic government, and they infringes the fundamental rights of the citizen, then there sometimes there is a conflict in the mindset of both the government and the relation worsens. Okay, as we are seeing now that Myanmar is controlled by military and India is not supporting the military government of Myanmar. So overall, we have seen that there are highs and lows in the relation of India with its neighbors. But if all the neighbors are doing are working together, if there is no major conflict, then the region has got so much capability to give too much to the world because it has the sea, it has land, it has several geographical features. So if there are the threats, the and the if the tension between countries is removed and they are working together for a prosperous world, then this area is can provide so much to the world, and we hope like this that in the future all the countries work together, and even the India and its neighbors have formed two organizations like SARC and BIMSTEC where they meet and they talk over about the security and the finance of the region. Thank you.